Hello, Pinky here, and this is Pinky's updates with a small Bronco update and a disaster. I'm sorry it took so long to post another video. I ran into a problem with this Bronco. This is kind of the stance, the look I'm going for. You guys seen that I cut the box, I cut the roof to a pickup. I did the grill. Well, the problem I'm having is the frame. I'm building. Let's move all this out of your way. And let's just take the frame. This is just temporary. It's all twisted. It's glued together, not straight. I wanted to do something to get an idea. And then I put it in my design and tried to design. I'm not a good 3D designer. I'm just learning. I like the design of the frame, but it failed on the print. It broke there, and it's now very brittle. Very brittle. But I love the shape that I'm kind of going for and the flares. Then I tried it again with, I thought maybe the filament, so I changed my filament. No, it's still very brittle. But this one is a little stronger, but still brittle. So brittle. So I know it's something to do with my heat, or my filament's still too wet or too dry. So I had lots of failed prints. So I've been working on it. I'm just having a lot of problems with it. So I wanted to give a small update. I didn't do much yet, but I'm keeping on going with this bad boy until it looks the way I want it. Take care, guys, and enjoy this beautiful day. I'm Pinky, and there's the moon for some odd reason. And I'm Pinky, and this is Pinky's One-Offs, and I'm out. Later.